We all have a thermostat that's set to a particular temperature, so to speak, in our life. A thermostat for the amount of money we make, a thermostat for the amount of love we allow into our life, a thermostat for the abundance that we allow, the joy we allow. And anytime that thermostat raises above whatever your normal setting is, we hit what's called an upper limit. And we will try to dial ourselves back down. The paradigm wakes up and it says, whoa, 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 whoa. This is way more love than you're used to. Or this is way more intimacy than you normally have in your life. This is way more abundance than you normally have. And it will kick in a self-sabotage mechanism to try to bring you down into normal. Well, why is that? What's going on? What's going on behind the scenes? Here's what's happening. All a paradigm is a belief. And we now know that a belief is simply a pattern of neurons that have been fired so many times, you've thought that thought so many times that it's wired together. That's all a belief is. A belief is a thought that you've fired so many times that it's wired together. And so what happens is your beliefs dictate the thoughts that you're thinking, the vibration that you're in, and the results that we have. In order to change our results, we have to change the belief. And here's the mechanism for changing a belief. The glue that holds this belief together, remember, it's a pattern of neurons. The glue that holds those neurons together, there's only so much glue to go around. Neurologists will say thoughts that fire together, wire together. The more you think a thought, the stronger that thought wires together. There's only so much glue to hold these neurons together. The moment you begin to think a new thought, to change your belief and say, no, you're not going to get me that way. That thought doesn't belong to me. I'm going to think this other thought. I am enough. I do have what it takes. I'm expanding my life. That new thought, that empowered thought that you think, the more you fire that thought, it begins to pull the glue away from the old paradigm thought.